Position the yard ramp on a level surface. Then adjust the height of the elevated end of the yard ramp to be roughly 2 inches above the trailer bed by rotating the handle clockwise. Install tow bar pocket. Insert fork into the tow bar pocket. Wrap safety chain around the fork carriage mast. Lift the ramp up using a tow bar pocket about 6 to 8 inches off the ground. Slowly back the trailer towards the yard ramp until it contacts the bumpers. Remove tow bar pocket from the yard ramp. Turn off the engine and set the parking brake of the tow vehicle. Immobilize the trailer with wheel chocks. Attach the trailer to the yard ramp with the safety chains. Turn the handle counterclockwise to retract the ramp wheels and landing gear. As the wheels retract, the ramp will lower. Continue to turn the handle until the ramp makes solid contact with the bed of the trailer. Continue turning the handle until the ramp wheels are no more than 2 to 3 inches from the ground to allow the ramp to float during trailer loading, unloading operations. As weight is applied to the trailer, it might be necessary to adjust the height of the ramp wheels to maintain 2 to 3 inch clearance between them and the ground. When the trailer is loaded and unloaded, turn the handle clockwise until the ramp is raised about 2 inches above the trailer, and then disconnect the safety chains. Once the ramp is 2 to 3 inches above the trailer and the safety chains removed, the trailer can move forward away from the yard ramp. Use tow bar pocket with the forklift to then store and put away the yard ramp. Remove tow bar pocket from the yard ramp.